Wow, that sounds good. Wow, that sounds good.
What up, guys? No Skyline today. We are in the daily, the Audi, and we are going to check out one of my favorite cars that we've ever imported. A lot of you have been asking me, what's your favorite cars you guys have ever imported? What's your top 5? What's your number 1? Well, I can tell you that today, this one might be my number 1. I have loved this car since the moment I laid eyes on it. And fortunately, it was sold to somebody that I've become really good friends with, and I get to see it all the time. I get to drive it whenever I want. He's a great guy and really, really loves this car as much as I did, as much as we all did at Top Rank. So I'm really excited to show it to you guys. So let's go check out this NSX. All right, as you can see behind me, we have the NSX that I was telling you about. Easily in my top 5 favorite cars we've ever imported as a company. The car is absolutely unbelievable. Since the folks here have got it, they've supercharged it with a Basch Supercharger, which has brought it up to 515 horsepower. It's in for some more modifications. They're telling me they're trying to push it to 6, would be a lot for an NSX. Usually you don't see them in those numbers, but the car is absolutely stunning. When we had this car, it was almost completely stock. Now, they've gone ahead with the Basch Supercharger, which has brought it up to 515 horsepower. The Basch Boosted Supercharger Kit consists of all precision engineered parts. All mounts are made exclusively from billet aluminum. The drive shaft bearings are aircraft spec. The blower is made by Paxton, and it includes a smart mapper for fuel management. Here's a clip of what the NSX sounded like when we had it. That was a clip of the NSX when it was at our shop. Now let's go see what it sounds like now. Awesome. So unlike most NSX, you can see this one's a little different in that it has a body kit on it. The body kit is super unique in that it's a one-of-one body kit. It's made as a demo car for A-Team. If you don't know much about A-Team, which I assume you don't because I didn't either, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it right now. Anija, also known as the A-Team, are basically a group of friends who share a love for cars and customization. You've probably seen their cars in other YouTube videos. They're the crazy, extravagant Lamborghinis with all of the bright neon lights, the wild wraps, the crazy custom body kits. It's quite strict as to who can join the team. The whole team has to approve someone before they can become a member. There's no set criteria on the type of car. The member just needs to be approved by the other members. All right, let's get inside this thing and see what it does. Honda navigation system. Push to start. As you can see, my knees are a little tight in this car. Don't quite fit so good, but definitely not gonna say no to driving it. As far as headroom goes, I'm all the way at the top. I don't know how well I fit in here. Definitely feel the upgrades from the Supercharger. That is for sure. Because this feels nothing like, woo! Okay. This feels nothing like it did before it got supercharged. That is for sure. So I would say that is a worthwhile upgrade. Woo!
Wow, that sounds good. Wow, that sounds good.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
I love this car, man.
This car is so good.
Dude, love this car so much, man. It's like something we don't even. We drive it for all pleasure, man.
Yeah, I mean, what's there not to love about it? That's for sure. The car is unbelievable. And it's just one of a kind too, you know?
The hardest part for me is staying on the right side of the road, you know?
The thing I still struggle with is hitting the windshield wiper when I mean to hit the blinker. It still gets me.
It's kind of hard when you gotta jump from a right-hand drive NSX to a left-hand drive NSX back and forth, you know?
That is true.
Honestly, what's not to love? I mean, look at it. Wow. I am so happy that I got to spend some time with that car today. Absolutely love that car and really looking forward to this weekend. I'm gonna be taking the Skyline GTR. He's gonna be taking the NSX. We're gonna head out to a show together, do some cruising afterwards, and probably get some more video and some more photos of it. I'm gonna be trying to check out a few more other of our favorite cars that we've imported, if I can track down the owners and find the time to get out to all of the different cities and states that they live in. If not, I'll be sure to put up some sort of a video, maybe laying out collectively our top 5 or our top 10, if we can even narrow it down that far. Anyhow, thanks for checking it out. Hope you guys love the car. If you're in the market for an NSX, we typically always have one in inventory, but we can always find another one for you. Peace.